Mastering Line Editing Techniques. Welcome to this training on effective line editing. Let's dive into structured approaches. Understanding the text is step 1. Read through your manuscript continuously. Identify areas that need improvement. Take notes on language, style, and clarity. Rewrite unclear sentences. Aim for conciseness while retaining the original meaning. Utilize editing tools. They can help catch grammatical and punctuation errors. Seek feedback. Collaboration with peers can enhance your editing process. Final pass is critical. Ensure that the manuscript flows smoothly and coherently. Prepare for submission. Ensure the document is neatly formatted and free of errors. Take breaks during editing. It helps maintain clarity and fresh perspectives. Follow style guides rigorously. Consistency is key in line editing. Familiarize yourself with editing resources, essential for ongoing learning. Identify and learn from common errors. Awareness leads to improved skills. Attend workshops. Engage with professionals to refine your skills. Practice regularly. The more you edit, the better you'll become. Set specific editing goals. Track your progress for continuous improvement. Celebrate your achievements. Recognizing progress motivates future work. Create a conducive environment for editing. Comfort enhances focus. Use a thesaurus for varied vocabulary. Avoid repetition to keep tone fresh. Embrace constructive criticism. It's essential for improvement. Manage your time efficiently. Set deadlines for each phase of editing. Read your text out loud. It helps catch awkward phrasing. Mark specific areas for improvement. Be detailed in your edits. Engage in brainstorming sessions. Collaborative ideas can enrich content. Leverage technology. Apps can help streamline your editing workflow. Ensure the emotional tone aligns with the content's purpose. Participate in author communities. Sharing experiences can foster growth. Keep a reflection journal. Track what you've learned from each project. Use voting systems for feedback to gauge preferences and opinions. Compare original drafts to final versions. It highlights your growth. Surround yourself with motivation. Inspiration fuels creativity. Invest in quality resources. They can guide sophisticated editing principles. Utilize online platforms to gain diverse insights on your work. Mind mapping can clarify your editing strategy. Visualize your approach. Submit your work confidently. Trust in the refinements made during editing. Remember to balance editing and self-care. It boosts creativity and productivity. Host group edit sessions. Hearing fresh perspectives can provide new ideas. Review different editions. Compare to understand the evolution of editing. Curate a collection of resources. Always have reference materials handy. Visual brainstorming can generate unique ideas. Allow creativity to flow. Revel in the small victories. Recognizing progress keeps you motivated. Celebrate your completed edits. Every milestone is a step towards success. Prepare and organize your final review. A well-structured approach helps. Bring clarity to your purpose during editing, staying focused on your goals. Visualize your editing journey. A clear process can streamline efforts. Learn from others' success stories. Avoid common pitfalls and grow. Take thorough notes in workshops. You'll want to refer back to these insights. Collaboration between authors and editors can refine and enrich content. Acknowledge achievements in editing. They serve as motivation for future work. Thank you for joining our training. Now, apply these techniques confidently.